Now let's talk about roles in data. Now this video will help you to understand the kind of opportunities a person get when he or she goes into data and understanding and analyzing the data. What all roles are available in the market, what you can do. At least if you are into one role, you should be able to know, you should know that what is in and around that role, right? So we'll be talking about here would be very useful. Let me just minimize the face cam here. Now here it is, roles in the data. The very first one is business analyst, which is one of the most common one. You may have heard about it a lot, or maybe you're already working as a business analyst. Now, who is a business analyst? As the name suggests, business and the analyst of that business. So this guy knows the pulse of the business, what is happening into the business, what this business is all about. He knows every bit of it. And that is the reason, have a look, a business analyst is closer to the business itself and is a specialist on interpreting the data that comes from the visualization. Yes, he knows what is happening, and based on the data which is there into the visualization, he is able to interpret that what is going on and able to convey the same to the stakeholder or the decision maker, right? The second major role into the data is data analyst. A lot of people are working as a data analyst. Now, this is slightly lower role as compared to the business analyst, right? Now, who is a data analyst? A person who is responsible for profiling, cleaning, and transforming the data, which is basically the ETL process that we'll see in the Power BI, and designing and building the scalable and performant data models and enabling and implementing the advanced analytics capabilities into the report for analysis. So he is responsible for data modeling, data capturing, data cleaning, and data visualization also. So he is basically the report builder, right? So he is going to be the author of the report, that you can say. So that is the role of a data analyst, but he do not know the pulse of the business. Just like that business analysts know about that, this guy do not know about that. And he's responsible for creating the Power BI assets also, managing the Power BI assets and creating the dashboards, reports and everything, right? And so he is responsible for Power BI desktop application plus Power BI service, because there he needs to manage these assets like report and dashboard, right? So this guy is that data analyst. Another one is data engineer. Now, who is a data engineer? So here comes little bit of technical part. The role is pretty technical as compared to a business analyst and a data analyst. Now, a data engineer provision and set up data platform technologies that are on premises and in the cloud. So we are talking about report server also, and we are talking about desktop application also over here, and they manage and secure the flow of structured and unstructured both type of data from multiple sources. So they manage that. You know that in an organization, mostly what happens is that every department getting and capturing data in a different form and in a different source. So these are the people who manages the same, and they make sure the data should come properly, right? So that's a data engineer. Now, who is a data scientist? Now, this is pretty technical in terms of analytics, because kind of advanced analytics these guys do based on the knowledge of data science, right? Now, a data scientist performs advanced analytics to extract value from the data, the kind of analysis which a business analyst can't do. These guys can able to do it using and performing predictive analysis and descriptive analytics also, which requires lot of mathematical knowledge, right? And a few more tools which are available in the market like R and Python and machine learning. So all these things these guys use to perform such kind of in-depth analytics. And the last role, one of the major roles, these are the major roles. There are a few more roles which are there available in the market. You can see how people are working and so on. Now, database administrator. So a person who is an admin for the data, he is in charge in securing and maintaining the flow of the data. So let's read what is mentioned over here. They're responsible for the overall availability and consistent performance and optimizations of the database solutions, right? They work with stakeholders to identify and implement the policies, tools, and processes for data backup and recovery plans. So, self-explanatory words are mentioned over here. So these are the major 5 roles. Now, when you talk about Power BI, so Power BI has admin part also, right? And you can do descriptive and predictive analytics also. And you can also maintain the data. People can work as a data engineer, right? Data analyst and business analyst are the main role that people use Power BI for, because they need to analyze, dig into, and finally, with the help of this, they'll be able to make the informed decision. So I hope you got the idea about the roles in data through this slide. Thank you so much.